Barbie, you're falling apart. A little magic and the doll will be good as new. For the first craft, take some perler beads. Put a drop of hot glue on a flat surface. Put a bead on it. Wait until the glue layer dries. Now, take a Q-tip. Cut a piece of a straw. Cut off several bristles from a paintbrush. Insert them into the straw like this. Next, dip the brush in bright paint and place it in the bead jar. Look! Now your doll has nail polish. Try it! It paints her nails perfectly! What color do you prefer? For the next idea, you need a plastic pipette and a toothpick. Cut off the thin edge of the pipette, and now cut off the narrow part like this. String it on the toothpick. Seal the other part with hot glue to make a bottom. Fill it with paint. Close the gap. Every girl should have lip gloss, and Barbie is no exception. Well, does the color look good on me? Your lips are perfection! And now, take a plastic pipette again and foundation. Cut off the central part from the pipette. Seal the wide part with a hair straightener. Fill the tube with foundation. Draw a logo. Close the tube with a cap. So now Barbie's makeup bag has one more product in it. Take a small sponge and test it. Wow! It's so smooth! The perfect tone! Do you have some random nuts and bolts lying around? Here's what you can use them for. Squeeze out several multicolored drops of paint on the palette. Repaint the nuts. When the paint is dry, take some light clay. Put a small piece of it inside the nut and put miniature artificial flowers in it. Done! Make a couple of these pots and your mood will improve instantly. For this idea, take a fork and twine. Weave the twine around the tines tightly. Next, take a needle and sew the thread along one edge. Remove the coil from the fork. Cut the unsewn edge with scissors. Attach a wooden skewer to the piece. Place it in the middle like this. Barbie's room gets dirty so fast. However, this new broom cleans it with no issues. Dust, watch out! And now take a few round candles. Remove the candles from the metal stands. Put a circle of foam paper inside a stand. Paint it your favorite color. Do the same with a couple of other candle stands. Now take wooden sticks and glue the candlesticks like this at the same distance from each other. Take the second stick and glue it on the other side. Glue a couple of shorter sticks at the bottom at an angle, like this. The result is a stylish shelf. Put it in Barbie's room. Fill the shelves with decorations. How did Barbie live without this shelf? Next, you need a wide marker, or actually, just the cap. Cut out 2 oval parts from foam paper. Glue them to the cap like this. Draw buttons and markings with a permanent marker. Print a mini picture of a pack of coffee. Pour a few coffee beans inside. Open the lid of the coffee machine. Pour the coffee. Click on a couple of buttons. What an excellent smell! Sure, you can imagine your life without coffee, but why would you want to? For this idea, take a piece of cardboard and several wooden sticks. Cut out a piece like this from the cardboard. Hot glue the sticks to it. Glue them from both sides so that they intersect in pairs like this. Glue another short stick to the intersection. The result is a small but very useful ironing board. Cover it with a piece of fabric. And now take a flat wooden stick, some light clay, and a pen cap. Cut out a drop from the stick. Fasten a layer of clay on top. Remove the clip from the cap and attach it instead of a handle to the clay like this. Decorate it. What a small iron! Barbie seems pleased with her new purchase. Do you like ironing? For this craft, take a round candle. Get the wax out of it. Cut the stand from the side and cut off a piece. Next, take a sponge. Put the plate on it and use an awl to make holes over the whole surface. Now, take a wire. Cut a couple of pieces from it and make them look like this. Secure the ring in the center of the iron part and attach the square instead of a stand at the bottom. Now, Barbie has a grater too, so she can cook a lot of new dishes. For the next idea, you will need a bottle from liquid soap with a dispenser. Cut the tip of the dispenser with a box cutter. Take a half of a plastic ball. Attach the dispenser with hot glue. Next, take a flashlight. Glue it to the half sphere with the dispenser like this. Now, take a piece of foam paper and cut a circle out of it. Glue foam paper to the flashlight instead of a stand. The result is a modern sink with a glass bowl and lights. Install it! Barbie takes care of her hygiene. Did you remember to wash your hands when you came in? Next, take a bar of soap. Cut off the edge from it. Clean it to get a mini soap bar. Now take some light clay and make a soap dish from it. Decorate it with rhinestones. When the soap dish hardens, put the soap inside. Cleanliness is a guarantee of health. Soap is a guarantee of soft hands. Did your scissors break? No worries! Remove the rings from them. Put the rings on wooden sticks. Take a fishing line and glue and make a grid on the ring. Do the same with the second ring. Your new sports equipment is ready. Take a ball and go on the court. Who will keep Barbie company? And now, take some beads and a toothpick. String a bead on the toothpick. Cut off the excess. Now, take red nail polish and color the bead. Next, take a piece of plastic wrap and wrap the bead with it. And tie the package with a ribbon at the base of the toothpick. A delicious and healthy dessert is ready! Would you like a caramel apple? Help yourself! I really want some cookies right now! Why don't the manufacturers consider Barbie? Let's make it even. Take out a big pack of cookies. Cut a plastic rectangle out of the liner. Next, take a piece of thick purple paper. Draw over it like this. Cut it following the outline. Assemble it. Make a box with a lid. Put the plastic liner on the bottom. Stick the label on the lid. Break the cookies into small pieces and put them in the box. That's better! Barbie doesn't like to eat too much sugar, but she can eat a piece of a cookie sometimes. For this life hack, take a straw and some cotton. Coat the end of the straw with glue and twist the cotton wool on it. Now, take a brush and make several multicolored brush strokes on the cotton wool. Fasten ears and a horn made out of sparkly foam paper on top. Draw eyes. Cotton candy in the form of a unicorn? Is this cuteness even legal? Would you like to try this beautiful dessert? For the next idea, take some glue and twine. Glue the twine in a spiral. At each turn, add a little glue so it holds better. Secure the end. Glue a wall made in a similar way to the edges. Make another round wall and glue it. Attach a long handle. Decorate with beads and pom-poms. Fasten some charms. Barbie's new bag is ready. A woven purse? Perfect for any fashionista. And now take multicolored candles, straws, and cupcake molds. Place crushed candies in the molds. Cut the straws into pieces. Melt some wax in a separate dish and put the straws in it. Put a wick in each and pour the melted wax. When the wax hardens, cut the straws off with a box cutter and get miniature candles. A romantic candlelit dinner is every girl's dream, and Barbie is no exception. The couple will never forget this evening. For this idea, take a cord, cut the twisted part and the plug. Glue the plug perpendicular to the wire like this. Paint the tip with nail polish. Glue the mount instead of a plug to the back side. Done! This picture has been waiting to be hung on the wall for several weeks now. At last its time has come, because now we have a drill. Did you like our new ideas for Barbie? Let us know in the comments which one was the most interesting. Subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, click on the bell, and share this video with your friends.